Hi, today we're rearranging and reorganizing my makeup. I'm a little bit scared. This is what I have for storage for makeup. This drawer right here is already spoken for. I have hair products in here, so that drawer is off limits. That's already one drawer down. This drawer, I'm going to be putting skincare stuff in. That's another drawer down. In this drawer, I'm thinking of putting lip products and like setting sprays and stuff like that. This drawer currently is being used for samples. Don't know where they're gonna go, but we're moving them. So this drawer, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna put like foundation, concealer, and primers. This drawer is probably gonna end up being bronzers, blush, highlighters, and any face palettes of that sort. The only drawer we're left with will have to be eyes, all my eye stuff. So mascara, eyebrow stuff, and all my eyeshadow palettes. I've been meaning to do this for a really long time, and I asked you guys if you'd like to see this in a video, and you guys were like, heck yeah, so I was like, alright. For now, I'm just gonna put my samples and stuff there because I really don't know where I'm gonna put these. So I kind of feel like I should start by emptying all my makeup out of this thing, like all together, and like putting it on my bed. But I also feel like that's a bad idea because that's gonna make a really large mess. Okay, I think it would be safer to do it like one by one. So first, I'll reorganize my lip products, then I'll reorganize my face products. Okay, you know what? That actually wasn't that bad. That went okay. Okay, oh no. Okay, I kind of got it to close. Okay, lip stuff, setting sprays, a hand cream, some random little sponges, and some samples. Okay, wow. Wow. There. So I ended up switching out the storage containers for the longer ones because I think it gives it a little bit of a nicer look. So yeah, wow, how cute. I honestly, genuinely did not realize I had this many eyeshadow palettes or mascaras or eyeliners. Is this the right drawer? No. Does it fit? Yes. So we have completed the makeup organization. Now it is time for the skincare organization. So this is what I have for skincare. Try to ignore that little guy. He got a little squished. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. That's all. Thanks for watching. Okay. Bye, folks.